Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, the very first half an hour, mid caps and small caps fell like a pack of cards. And many mid cap and small cap stocks fell 10 to 15%. And that is a worst fall for mid caps and small caps in the year 2023. According to some report, I don't know how far it is true. There is one broking company called Society Generally. They have a hedge fund in Hong Kong, and one of the fund managers seems to have done some front running, and therefore he was fired today morning, and they decided to offload the entire portfolio of 3,000 crores under that hedge fund. So we don't know how far it is true. This is a WhatsApp message going around, but it has not come in any newspapers or media channels. And the worst thing is that today morning, Nifty opened gap up more than 100 point, Bank Nifty gap up more than 300 point, and then immediately this kind of selling came, and that affected large caps also. Bank Nifty fell 500 points from intraday high to intraday low. And then throughout the day, the markets were very, very volatile. There was alternate bouts of buying and selling and buying and selling, and markets were too volatile to handle. And the end of the day, Nifty closed almost flat, and that is mainly due to IT stocks. And today, what a fantastic short covering in TCS. TCS has been the worst performer even among the IT sector. Generally, IT stocks were underperformers. Among the IT stocks, TCS was the worst performer, and it was very, very weak. And today, TCS has shot up more than 100 rupees. So that is why the Nifty closed flat while all other indices closed in red. And Bank Nifty was slightly lower, not very bad. But today, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank all did very well. It was the PSU banks that dragged the markets down. So to add fuel to the fire, or to say putting salt on the wound, and there was a news report so that said Nitin Gadkari proposed a 10% hike in GST for diesel vehicles. And that news came and auto stocks started falling. Of course, two-wheelers are mostly petrol vehicle only. The four-wheeler stocks fell. But however, later there was another report saying that there was no such proposal. So within one day, so there was two different news, and then auto stocks recovered a bit, but not complete recovery. All in all, today is a mid-cap mayhem, and for the last few days, I don't know, it was a mid-cap rally or mad-cap rally. So the stocks rallied like anything, and today, probably some people have booked the profit, and this news has become an excuse for the profit booking. So we do not know how far this news is true also. But in the afternoon, Europe markets opened. UK market was slightly okay, but other than UK, the rest of the European markets started falling. Right now, US futures are also falling. And the global cues continue to be bad, and European markets were down for 8 trading sessions. And yesterday, just one day they closed in green, now again going to red, which means that out of 10 trading sessions, 9 trading sessions were in red. So it will be interesting to see what will be the FII selling today. Number one, after a long time, yesterday they were net buyers. So today, what is their position? So that is one thing. And second thing, if this news is true, then there will be a huge selling figure. So we do not know. Maybe we have to wait until the end of the day. Maybe by looking at bulk deal and block deal, so maybe we will come to know if any big selling by this society generally hedge fund. Overall, the market, is taking a breather today. Every day Nifty was going up 100 point, 120 point, and today gap up also. So it's good that the market started consolidating. Looks like the markets are likely to consolidate, and tomorrow once again the US inflation data is there. Then once that is over, the next week, special session of parliament. So this uncertainty likely to continue for few more days. The only thing is option sellers are hoping for time value. And today, the first day, the markets were selling off in the mid cap and small cap, and large cap also. After the initial gap up, them started falling. That created hell lot of volatility in the market. Can you imagine Nifty closing flat? In fact, not even closing flat. It closing about 2-3 point minus, and Nifty December 22,000 call option is shooting up by 10 rupees. Where is 22,000 call option? Where is Nifty here? And Nifty closing slightly negative, and 22,000 call option going up by 10 rupees. And same thing across the board. And both calls and puts were moving higher. So if anybody has only option selling portfolio, and today no matter what is the portfolio, and that would be showing a huge MTM loss. So the volatility started. So we need to see whether this volatility subsides and what is the FII position, and why this mid cap mayhem has happened today. So we may get some clarity by today, tonight or tomorrow. So if there is any news, so there is going to be more volatility going forward. So every day, it was a easy money for the last 1 week for the people, kept on selling put option. So now 2-way, 3-way, 4-way moves have been started. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. So I have some technical issue. So that's why today only audio podcast. So hope you enjoyed listening to this podcast. Thank you for listening.